Here are a few of the other ways in which the theories of interdisciplinary studies are similar. They all require integration, the process by which concepts, assumptions, or theories are modified or changed in order to reconcile the insights from two or more disciplines. We might take the best parts of one theory from one discipline and the best parts from another theory in another discipline in order to understand a problem. Generalist interdisciplinarians understand interdisciplinarity loosely to mean any form of dialogue or interaction between two or more disciplines. Generalist interdisciplinarians tend to minimize the role of integration. Integrationist interdisciplinarians, on the other hand, believe that integration should be the goal of interdisciplinary work, namely because integration addresses the challenge of complexity. Integration allows us to build a comprehensive model of a problem. Therefore, the core of the integrationist position is that integration is not only achievable, but that it is something that researchers should strive for. They want the greatest degree of integration possible.